While the rest of the world worries about making money during a recession, those who know how to take advantage of the situation can come out on top. Hello everyone, welcome to the Finance Wisdom channel. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will talk about techniques for how to make money in a recession 2022. Although some may be riskier than others, all have the potential to generate income if executed correctly. It is important to remember that not every technique will work for everyone, and it is best to find what works for you and your business. How to make money in a recession 2022, number 1. Start your own business. There are many reasons to start your own business, and there are even more reasons to do so during a recession. When the economy struggles, companies have more difficulty making ends meet. This means that there is more opportunity for entrepreneurs to fill the gap. Of course, starting a business is not without risk, but there are ways to minimize those risks and increase your chances of success. One way is to choose an industry that is not susceptible to economic fluctuations. Another is ensuring you have a sound business plan and financial backing. Finally, surround yourself with a supportive team of advisors and mentors. If you have always dreamed of being your boss, there has never been a better time to make that dream a reality. You can make money even in the toughest of economic conditions. So what are you waiting for? The time to start your own business is now. How to make money in a recession 2022, number 2. Get a job in a growing industry. The first step is to understand where the economy is heading. The second is to find an industry with growth potential. Third, get a job in that industry. And fourth, keep your ear to the ground for opportunities to invest in the industry. Here's a closer look at each of those steps. According to the Congressional Budget Office, the U.S. economy is projected to experience a slowdown in 2020 and 2021, followed by a rebound in 2022. That means there will be opportunities for those who are prepared. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects that healthcare and social assistance, professional and business services, and construction will be the fastest growing industries from 2018 to 2028. That's good news for job seekers in those industries. The U.S. There are many ways to make money in a recession, but one of the best is to get a job in a growing industry. That way, you'll be able to ride the wave of growth when the economy rebounds. So if you're looking for an opportunity to make money in a recession, keep your eye on these 3 industries. How to make money in a recession 2022, number 3. Invest in stocks and mutual funds. Many people think that mutual funds and stocks are only for rich people. This is not true. Anyone can invest in stocks and mutual funds, regardless of their income. The key is to start small and invest regularly. Over time, you will see your investment grow. There are many reasons why you should invest in stocks and mutual funds. First, they offer the potential for high returns. Second, they provide diversification, meaning you are less likely to lose all of your money if one stock or mutual fund performs poorly. Finally, investing in stocks and mutual funds can help you build long-term wealth. Investing in stocks and mutual funds is an excellent option to make money in a recession. With careful planning and a long-term focus, you can make money by investing in the stock market. How to make money in a recession 2022, number 4. Sell your belongings online. We all have stuff, and in a recession, many of us are looking for ways to make some extra cash. One way to do this is to sell your property online. There are several different ways to do this. You can use sites like eBay or Craigslist or set up your website. Whichever route you choose, there are a few things you need to do to get the most money for your stuff. First, take good pictures. Make sure the photos are well lit and show the thing from various angles. This is especially important if you're selling on eBay or another site where people can come to see the item in person. Second, write a good description. Be honest about any item's flaws, but highlight its best features. Again, this will help potential buyers make an informed decision about whether or not they want to purchase your item. Finally, price it right. Research to see what similar items are selling for before setting your price. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. How to make money in a recession 2022, number 5. Get the side hustle. The global pandemic has been challenging for everyone, and the recession has hit many people hard. If you're struggling to make ends meet, it might be time to think about getting a side hustle. There are several ways to make extra money. The best option for you depends on your skills and interests. If you're handy with tools, you could start a business doing odd jobs or offering home repairs. If you're a people person, you could become a pet sitter or start a dog walking business. And if you're good with words, you could begin freelancing as a writer or editor. Whatever side hustle you choose, there are a few things to remember. First, make sure you're legally allowed to do the work in your state or country. Second, set up a system to track your income and expenses so you can stay on top of your finances. Finally, don't forget to have fun. A side hustle should be something you enjoy doing, not just another chore. How to make money in a recession 2022 number 6. Buy investment properties at discount. One option that can be profitable in any economic climate is investing in real estate. Investment properties can offer some benefits, including potential for rental income, appreciation, and tax breaks. However, one of the most significant advantages of investing in real estate is that it allows buyers to buy properties at a discount. In a recession, many people are forced to sell their homes for less than they paid, and investors who can take advantage of these situations can make a killing. Of course, buying investment properties at a discount is not always easy. It takes research and networking to find the best deals. However, for those willing to put in the work, investing in real estate can be a great way to make money in a recession. How to make money in a recession 2022 number 7. Save money where you can. Many people are finding themselves in a tight financial spot these days. Jobs are scarce, and those employed often fear losing their position. If you're looking for ways to save money, there are a few things you can do to cut back on unnecessary expenses. One way to save is to cook at home rather than eat out. This can also be a healthy option, since you can control the ingredients that go into your meals. Another way to save is to limit your shopping trips. Before going to the store, list the items you need and stick to them. You may also want to purchase items in bulk when they're on sale, which can help you save money. Finally, try to find ways to save on your transportation costs. If you live in a city, take advantage of public transportation options. If you have a car, consider carpooling with friends or family members. Finally, network with other professionals and learn from their experiences. Networking with other professionals can learn about different ways to make money during a recession. For example, you may learn about investment opportunities or business ventures thriving despite the economic downturn. In addition, you can also use your network to find new clients or customers. What methods will you use how to make money in a recession 2022? It is essential to remember that recessions are not permanent, and there are ways to make money during this time. By being proactive and using our outlined techniques, you can position yourself for success when the economy rebounds. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.